Apache Superset Review 2025. Is it the best open source BI tool? Business intelligence tools are everywhere, but Apache Superset keeps coming up in serious data conversations. Most people think open source tools are limited, but here's the surprising truth about Superset in 2025. Apache Superset is a modern, open source data exploration and visualization platform. It allows teams to create interactive dashboards, charts, and reports directly from databases. It supports dozens of data sources, including skill-based systems and cloud warehouses. One of Superset's biggest strengths is performance. It's built to handle large datasets efficiently, especially when paired with powerful databases. Dashboards load fast, filters are responsive, and visualizations are highly customizable. Another major advantage is cost. Superset is free to use. There are no licensing fees, which makes it attractive for startups and data teams on a budget. You only pay for infrastructure and maintenance. However, this is where most people get it wrong. Superset is not beginner-friendly out of the box. Setup requires technical knowledge, including Python, databases, and server configuration. If you expect a plug-and-play experience, you may be disappointed. Compared to paid-by tools, Superset lacks some advanced governance and user management features unless you configure them yourself. Support also depends on community documentation rather than dedicated customer service. So is Apache Superset the best open source BI tool in 2025? For technical teams that want flexibility, control, and zero license costs, the answer is often yes. For non-technical teams, the learning curve can be steep. The surprising truth is that Superset shines when paired with skilled engineers. If that's your environment, it's an incredibly powerful tool. Subscribe for more clear reviews of data and analytics platforms.